So when you guys are buying a house, this is the cost that you're looking at. You're looking at the price of the house. You're looking at any type of points that you guys are paying on that home. You're looking at your property taxes. You're looking at your insurance, your utilities. You're looking at a lot of things when you're going into buying a house. So don't just think, oh, this price looks good, or don't just look at that mortgage payments. Look at your full price in buying a house, and any repairs that you're going to have on a house, you guys are going to be responsible for them. Now, I did want to share my screen because um, there's other costs that you guys have to think about. And I did a quick Google search just so you guys can see like the different costs that's associated with buying a home. So let me add that to my screen here. Um, Please disregard. Let me see. Let me see, you guys. Let me see. Okay, that's not it. Okay, here we go here. So here are some of the costs. So you have to think about your mortgage payment, your property taxes, your homeowner insurance, any HOA fees. I forgot to say that. Home maintenance, repairs, and utilities. Those are the expenses that you guys should think about when you're buying a house. But sometimes you may have realtor fees. I never thought about that part. Sometimes you guys are going to have to pay the realtor fees, the sale price of the house, the transfer taxes, the recording fees, and the title insurance. A lot of these fees, like these fees right here, is usually built into your mortgage. So it's already in your mortgage, or you're going to get that in your closing costs. So yeah, those are things you should think about. So again, your mortgage payment, property taxes, homeowner insurance, mortgage insurance, escrow, prepaids, mortgage points, closing costs, and utilities. So it's definitely a lot of things that you guys have to think about when you guys are purchasing a home. So just keep that in mind on the different fees that you guys are going to have to pay when you're buying a house.